cleaned Sarah and Randall's. There you go. That already looks pretty good on the top, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks really good there. You could see a difference there automatically. Wow.
Oh. Okay. I may have to get that.
Okay.
Let me get your camera.
So you want to turn
Sorry.
that
My back ain't gonna.
You squirt enough ivory on it?
Let me rinse it.
Okay. Where's it at? You want me to pour it over?
Yeah, pour you a little bit of water on it. There you go. That's good.
There we go. Now I'll take this and just
That's right.
push the water off.
We'll take a before and after here in a minute.
There we go. Now rinsing it off. Yeah. Looks good. And then the next one will be Sam and Martha.
Oh.
Looks good. You okay?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Here's this one.